In this video I'll show you how to make a custom intake. So we have here we went to AutoZone, actually Advance, they both probably have it. This Spectre filter, and that's the part number right here. 8131 from Spectra, and it comes with different sizes over here, up to 4-inch. It's got adapters, but our stuff is 4-inch, so we're going to use the 4-inch, and it comes with a clamp. We also got this from Spectre. It's a 6-inch length tube, 4-inch opening, and this is what this looks like. I'm going to wind up cutting that down and drilling a hole for the intake air temperature sensor. This is a 4-inch elbow 90-degree coupler from Spectra, 9781. And that's the elbow, and it comes with clamps. So let's begin. Alright, so the first thing of course you gotta do is you gotta measure it to see how wide this is, the diameter. It's 4 inches, so that's what we're working with here. I'm sorry, Brianna, I couldn't do any better. Alright, so put this in here, and now this goes here. So it's almost good. We're going to cut off maybe 2 inches to bring it more away from the battery terminals over there. Okay, so we're first going to cut off about 1 inch to see how that looks, and if we need more we'll go up to 2 inches. Okay, we're going to put a piece of tape. Okay, you could use a sawzall here, but we already have a chop saw handy, so we're just going to do it that way. Alright, so the reason I taped this up is so it doesn't get scratched. If you want to cut it straight with a sawzall, you could just put a piece of masking tape on the thickness you want to cut and just curl along the masking tape. Alright, so now put it together. As you can see there, it fits like factory, baby. Alright, now there's pieces of metal in here, actually aluminum. I'm going to get a round file and just take the pieces off. Blow some compressed air through here so we have no shrapnel. Okay, so we dry fit it again. This is the air temperature sensor wire. We're going to put it down here somewhere. So it's going to be right smack dab in the middle over here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. This air intake temperature sensor is 1/2 inch diameter. I have a 1/2 inch grommet inside diameter. Fits right over it. So what I'm going to do is, 1/2 inch is right there. I'm going to go a step above it to 5/8. And I have a piece of tape here to stop me. Use a punch tool to start it. Put some butter sauce or tap magic and start drilling her like it's Saturday night. Okay, now as you can see in there, the aluminum, it went inside the tube. So I'm using a 1/2 moon file just to file that out. Okay, now put the grommet in. You just got to work the hole. Put a little bit of silicone paste on this, so it makes things slide in easier. So pop this in. She's tight. Oh yeah. Woo! She's in. Yeah, baby. Put a little bit of butter sauce or silicone spray all around the coupler and inside here. Just to go in a little easier. Put this in here. Put the clamp on. Put this on. Now tighten down the clamps, make sure it's fully on the throttle body. Yank on it, make sure it doesn't, doesn't come off. And that's good. And now put the air intake temperature sensor on, and the air intake is done. And that's how you do a custom air intake. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. Toodles!